In a stark courtroom, a judge slams the gavel as murmurs ripple through the gallery, the air thick with formal gravity. A man sues a drone delivery company for scaring his dog and triggering existential anxiety during a nocturnal drop above his home. Brief flashes show tense court sketches, scattered legal documents, and bold headlines that blur the line between procedure and absurd spectacle. Lawyers volley dry jargon, while the defense argues the incident was a marketing stunt blown out of proportion. The gavel rings again as a final overlay appears signaling yes, this really happened, leaving the room both witty and unsettled.